Hey, welcome back everybody. Want to quickly show you guys, if you guys picked up the iPad 8th generation and you guys are looking for a good case, Speck makes a good nice one. It's just nice basic case that you can pick up, very inexpensive, and it's a very well designed case here if you guys wanted to kind of get it for your iPad. And as you can see, it's got a little locking screen here, or not locking screen, little locking tab here, which is nice. And it's got the nice pullover with the magnetic here, and also has a magnet in here, so when you open up for the camera, which is nice, that you can just kind of keep it in the back, and then it's just out of the way, and you have the camera available. It's got all the ports and everything. Is nice colors. They come in different colors. I'll put on there. Easy to install. You have your iPad here, just basically just kind of slide it in, as you can see here, and just push it in. Everything fits in very nicely, as you can see. This makes it nice and portable, easy to clip on here, as you can see real quick. And also what I like about that is you can quickly access the camera very quick, and it's easy to carry. It's not slippery or anything. It's kind of got a nice kind of like almost like a vinyl finish here. The stitching and everything, as you can see here, is pretty well made. It's stitched nice, as you can see, all the way around. It's got the nice plastic covers here that protect the iPad all the way around. It's got access for your volume controls there. It is, with this on here, it'll make it a little bit difficult trying to put your finger to go up and down, but it's still doable, so that's nice. The reason that's there is probably easier to flip this lever or flap over for access of your camera, rear camera. Again, the latch here is easy to open and close, so it's got protection all the way around. And also it's got the on and off magnetic, as you can see here. The other nice thing too is that you can put it very quickly, and you can have different angles here, as you can see here. So that's pretty nice. You can see all the little different sections there that you can put on there, and then all the way up to right about there, and then you got the nice tilt angle, and then you can still nice view for you, as you can do either a keyboard typing, like for example, let's say you had an external keyboard, you're able to kind of keep it away from you. And also I don't know, maybe it still hold up on that area, as long as you're not pushing it too much. It still kind of grabs on there, which is nice. Overall, it's a nice design. Like I mentioned, it's very nice. I actually like it's very lightweight. It's got the protection here, as you can see, all the back here. It's got a nice magnetic here that keeps it on there like this, closed, and then easy to close up like this. Again, this is the Speck case here. It's this, again, it's the Balance Folio, which is nice. I like it. If you guys were interested and wanted something simple for your iPad, you just might have got for Christmas, or just picked up the iPad just to protect it, this is a nice way to do it. Again, it's got all the protections on the side with the plastic. Also, one more thing before I forget, this does have the speakers cutouts there, which is nice, as you can see here. So the speakers firing down, and then you still have access to your charging port there. Up at the top, it does have the mics open here and here, so that's nice. And then you have the opening for your headset jack there. So again, very nice. If you guys want to pick this up, it's the Speck Folio. This is the Balance Folio. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.